Your house is bleeding money right now. You just can't see it. It's not a leaky faucet, not a running toilet. This is something far more hidden. Every hour, even while you sleep, a silent drain is costing you up to $300 a year. And the worst part? You can fix it for less than the price of a coffee. Welcome to the secret world of phantom power waste and the $4 device that kills it. Take a look at your TV. It's off, right? Wrong. That little red eye means one thing. Electricity is still flowing. Money is still flowing. Now add your gaming console, your microwave clock, your laptop charger left plugged in. Every single one of these vampires is sipping power 24/7, and you're paying for it. This is called phantom load or vampire power, and the average home has over 40 devices doing this. The U.S. Department of Energy says it can account for 10% of your electricity bill. For a family paying $200 a month, that's $240 wasted every year for absolutely nothing. And no, unplugging everything every night isn't realistic. But there is a smarter way, a secret that utility companies don't advertise. It all starts with a tiny $4 device that you've probably walked past 100 times. This is not a smart plug. It's not a timer. It's something much simpler and deadlier for energy waste. It looks like an ordinary outlet adapter, but inside it holds the power to stop the drain instantly. For years, engineers ignored it, but a retired electrician tested 50 of these and found a champion, the Casonic plug-in switch. Less than $4, zero standby consumption. Here's the secret. It completely breaks the electrical circuit. The device behind it truly off. No trickle current, no glowing lights, no hidden drain. One switch can control an entire power strip full of vampires. Plug your TV, console, and streaming box into one strip. Kill them all with a single flick. Installation takes 5 seconds. No wiring, no tools. And it doesn't look ugly. It blends right in. But wait, there's something even bigger. A forgotten drain hiding in plain sight. Your kitchen is the silent killer, and this $4 fix works there too. That coffee maker clock, that microwave display, your Instant Pot, they're all feeding. Now imagine every single one dead silent, using zero power until you need them. You're about to see exactly how much this saves with real numbers. Let's start with the living room, the biggest phantom zone. First, locate your entertainment power strip. It's likely always on. Unplug the strip from the wall. Now plug in the $4 switch. Then plug the power strip into the switch. That's it. Now when you go to bed or leave the house, one click kills them all. No more standby power to your TV, soundbar, or streaming stick. Next, your home office, the hidden money pit. Your monitor's power brick is warm even when the screen is black. That's wasted energy. Plug your entire desk setup into a power strip controlled by another $4 switch. One flick at the end of the day, and your entire office goes to true zero. Now, the kitchen. This one hurts the most. That microwave clock draws 3 to 5 watts just to keep the clock running 24/7. Your coffee maker with a timer, 2 watts forever. Your toaster oven, another 2 watts. Individually, tiny. Together, a constant $40 a year leak just for clocks. The $4 switch can't be used for a microwave easily because you need the clock, right? Think again. Plug the microwave into a switch, but keep a separate $4 switch for the coffee maker and toaster. Microwave clock? You don't need it at 3 a.m. Most people only use it to see the time while cooking. For the hardcore, even the microwave can be switched off. You just set the clock when you need it. Bathroom. Yes, even here. That toothbrush charger base? It's using power even when the toothbrush isn't on it. Vampire. Plug the charger into a $4 switch. Turn it on only when charging. Same for the bathroom nightlight. Use a switch to turn it off during the day. Garage and basement, the forgotten drain zones.
That old second fridge in the garage, it runs, but the real waste is the defrost timer and control board when it's not cooling. A $4 switch won't control a fridge, but that battery charger for your drill? Yes, plug it into a switch. After installing just 3 of these $4 switches, the silent drain stopped. His electricity bill dropped by $18 the very next month. That's $216 a year saved by spending just $12. The kilowatt meter doesn't lie. Before, 48 watts, always. After, 0. The house felt no different, no loss of comfort, only gain in wallet. And the environment? 500 pounds of CO2 not emitted every year from one home. Neighbors started asking why their bills were higher. The secret spread. This isn't just about saving money, it's about taking back control. Every time you flip that switch, you're saying no to waste. And the best part? The utility company lost a tiny bit of their free profit. But phantom power is just the tip of the iceberg. There's another silent drain happening right now in your bathroom. It doesn't use electricity, but it can waste 200 gallons a day for a $5 fix. Your water heater is fighting a ghost you can't see, and a $10 blanket can stop it. Then there's the invisible hole in your wall that sucks out heated air like a vacuum. A $3 fix for that exists too. It's been hiding in the hardware store for 50 years. One by one, these small secrets add up to thousands saved. We've mapped out the top 7 money leaks in your home and the cheapest, easiest fixes. Next video, we expose the bathroom leak that costs more than phantom power. Hit subscribe and the bell because that video drops soon. Share this with a homeowner you care about. They'll thank you. And don't wait. Every day you delay, another dollar vanishes. The $4 switch, the first step in a silent rebellion against waste. Your house is full of secrets. Some cost you, others save you. This is just the beginning. See you in the next leak.